एक पेड़ माँ के नाम
Department of Posts Manipur Division Imphal na sinjaduna ngasi October tang 8 sida Observance of World Post Day haiduna event ama pangthokjai. Event asida Tree Plantation amasu tawjaki. Tree Plantation sida makhoi gi theme Ped Maa Ke Naam haiba initiative ta ngasi se Postal Colony Palace Compound laiba mafam asida uchara khara thajaki. Uchara thaba asida koigi Post Office koigi Department of Post ki masak nairaba koigi staff sing adagi Superintendent of Post Office adagi Postmaster yauna miyoi kayana ngasi se koigi Postal Colony Palace Compound asida u makal khara thaduna World Post Day observance tawjaki ngasi se ngasi gi handaki chahi sigi theme haitare ko theme se post for people local service global reach haiba theme asida pangtok sabani ado siga loidana Postathon walk haidana kogi nationwide walking event amasu promote tawduna ngasi se connecting every home empowering every dream haiduna Postal Colony Imphal gina kogi head office ki mafam bhawba Babupara da leiyong mafam batbo chakhi yeng taminasi video asi ngasi morning pung 9 makhai dagi hokjaraga koi video si kapsabani mayam su miyeng tapi sorry
एक पेड़ माँ के नाम
चुम्ब्रा चुम्ब्रा
वही खोंग के बोल जाता है सिखाई जंजीरा
हमारे से क्या बोले
अरे सारे यार इधर सा
रखो
एक पेड़ माँ के नाम
जय हो
Pambidu nang sana dre ni, kapit pun payo ni.
Pakai minyak ni, banyak
Mi siya so wene. Benar ni maru. Ado makharat Postathon wakai ni. Ang yung ayah lava. Sida kali tro, horen. Dah nak kene besi horen.
video nama ni
Ako ito isa. Ano gi kugi mapantanga jupi tao itu tao.
Sino yung chakang kuda?
Taibong Pambi.
Sino tabong pambi?
Taibong Pambi ni hayeng. Ama thau lo. Sino yang je ko thai nga sin han. ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ
Nasi pambiga be yan kiki.
ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯣꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯀꯪꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ
Mui si ta sang ye. Sing thum di kang ye.
ꯁꯤꯡ ꯊꯨꯝꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯀꯪꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ
National Postal Week has been observed from 6 to 10. That is from Monday to Friday. So we have coincided with this World Post Day on 9th. This World Post Day we observe because on this World Post Day, this Universal Postal Union was formed. It was formed in 1874. So with the formation of this Universal Postal Union, this Universal Postal Union has brought many countries, many different countries into one separate territory. So with the form of this Universal Postal Union, we could able to do this mail delivery today. So on this occasion, we also shared about our postal services, make awareness to the public customers, and we also hear their voice, their grievance for development, for improvement of our postal service. So we share these services through how we reach our services reach to the people in a way like through IPPB, through insurance, that is through PLI, RPLI, and like a delivery, how it reaches to the doorstep of the public. So we also invite a customer to give their suggestion, opinion, so that on this Postal Week, we also have so many different activities. So on this, we also improve our postal service. Thank you.
Respected our Superintendent of Post Offices, Assistant Superintendent of Post Offices, and all staffs of Imphal Head Post Office and the Divisional Office. Ngasi si akoigi National Postal Week across the India ko akoigi October gi date 6 tagi sathajatuna 1 week changda hairiba celebration asi ngasi October date 9 as a part of the National Postal Week haidna World Post Day na pangthokchari aikoina ngasi gi pangthokchaba sidaida akoigi Tree Plantation masigi theme na ek Ped Maa Ke Naam aduga akoigi Postathon amasu akoigi staff mayam singsina pulaf Postal Colony akoigi Palace Compound sidagi haujaraga akoigi Imphal Head Post Office akoi campus adubawa hauji chananawa sem sajari World Post Day haibisi akoigi Universal Postal Union na ama 1874 da established tauki Madu in order to commemorate the establishment of the Universal Postal Union asi gidamakta akoina World Post Day si suksang ba sahi samagi yangkhai ma thoi surakpasi khoi pangthok chaduna lakpani masidaida akoina manungda saliba sahi chayola magi perat ama suksang ba 1 week long celebration tawjariba asigi maramdi aikoigi hana postal se mail khaktang lejarambadagi so mathang role se promote tawrokpaga loinana masidaida akoigi technology gi yam advancement oiba hana atopa company amagi pairambaduna haujingna postal department na puthokchaba advanced postal technology APT 2.0 lakwadagi yamna faster oiba yamna more efficient oiba ade yamna transparent oiba sugumba ama hujik chawkhalakgi matugina technology gi advance akoigi advance haitare ko masisu achauba akhoi postal department da hujik yam kana upgrade tawriba mani aduga khungangi amadi sahargia lairiba praja singda akoigi postal gi financial inclusion haibtare akoigi postal department da akoigi savings gi scheme taraga mathoi ni thoi si lei masi akhoi gi praja singda masi gi kana ba khuding maksi loina phangan du na laksari loina na akhoi gi postal da lejari ba atopa department na hiendraba akhoi gi insurance hai tare postal life insurance rural postal life insurance masi gi kana ba kaya ma akhoi na public ta khudong chaba phangan jari loina na akhoi gi postal life insurance hai ba se atopa insurance company kaya dagi bonus da kaida akhoi postal life insurance na adum hen wang na satna leibani aduna akhoi gi laijari ba khungangi chorgi praja khudimakna masigi khudong chaba se adum lauduna lafaga loina na amuka hena awareness praja sing da pijaba waina ngasigi world post day se national postal week ama waina pangthok sabani aduna india da leiriba world da leiriba country 195 ki manungda 192 se akhoi universal postal union gi member ni ana india su 1876 da haiba universal postal union gi kanu member country amu woiduna suksang ba kanu se sahi kaya se akhoi ngasidi country singi manungda india na khwaidagi chawraba largest postal network se amu woire masi hairga I matang sa izlo sanjar
photo session je loibaga
What we call Postathon. Yeah. That's a kind of marathon only, organized by the Department of Post. But since we couldn't, we could not do in the morning, now it will disturb the traffic also. So we will try to go in two by two on the side of the footpath, so that we may not disturb others' traffic also. Okay? Okay, then thank you.
akhoi chakadaba route se sidagi thokraga konung mamang lomda thoasi aduga sanjen thong lomda phaudoga post office akhoi CM baglogi opposite lomdagi haijalaga changsiko aduna mayam sida akhoi gi queue up tawbiro chatpa haunaba
ngasi world post day gi program ama khoi kana sinjari post office khoi Imphal na ko ado sida postathon na hai walk kaidana sigi khoi gi wangkhai gi moi gi Eastern Ground gi manaki sidagi chatlaga moi post office ho sakadoni ko ajisi uchar ke gi thawal loiramaga sigi sakadoni ado mayam gi ngasi ko ado yam phai kaigino har gadi moi wall post ke gamari lena ek pair maa ke naam haiba theme da uchar ka thajabani hai ta ko aduna mayam moi chat pa hodore
hoji akhoi postathon se two line session thaba lojare aduna hoji akhoi horase
okay let's begin
chat pa hore
Sir is also not feeling
Director,
Mapan Biyu, Paujin Zariba, Manipur Postal Division. One of the largest and most trusted postal systems in the world. Established in 1854, India Post has evolved from delivering handwritten letters to powering digital financial inclusion. Communication with a even not reach every doorstep. Post office connect peoples, friends, and business across borders. They support e-commerce, banking, and logistics, especially in rural areas. The post office is also the most accessible public service, reaching patients hours time. The travel prices, postal people, have delivered celebrate not just the global postal network, but the incredible journey of India Post, one of the largest and most mga pamilya na quarterly oina disputat agasani ganito mapan talpiyo. Pabuen deriva Manipur Postal Division.